Hello, I'm Josh Bland with TechnologyAdvice, and this is our product spotlight video. We're trying to educate, advise, and connect our viewers with different kinds of software and introducing them with vendors and having them answer a few questions. So to start us off, we have Cameron Council here. Cameron, do you want to say hello? He's one of our excellent tech advisors, and he's here to offer some insight with CRM today, one of our favorite categories. And joining us is Justin. Justin, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hi guys, yeah, I'm the product marketing specialist here at Infusionsoft. So I do a lot of customer research, and then I message all of our products and also help architect the launch plan so that we can push our products out into market.
Awesome. So, first question, if you could describe Infusionsoft in one sentence, what would it be?
Infusionsoft is the leading sales and marketing software for small business owners that lets them get organized, grow sales, and save time.
Different software providers offer different things. Where do you fit into the market, and what separates you from the rest of the pack?
I would call attention to three different things: automation, consolidation, and having a true passion for small business success. So we make it really easy for small business owners to build the sales and marketing strategy and help them map out each step of that, centralize all their customer interactions and daily activities, capture new leads, and automate follow-up based on preferences and the needs of those customers, identify the best leads and close more sales faster, and automate the repetitive tasks that get really annoying, like follow-up, contact management, billing, and payments. So we know that small business owners don't have time to manage all the chaos brought on by using multiple systems. But Infusionsoft started as a small business, and over half of our employees have owned or currently do own their own business.
Oh, wow.
So that's really why we're different, because our mission is to help small businesses succeed.
That's great. So sort of right off of that, who is your ideal customer? So can you sort of like paint a picture of who exactly the ideal Infusionsoft customer would be?
So our ideal customer has over 100,000 in revenue, because we found from our data analysis that companies who have been in business longer, usually about 3 years, and who have that kind of annual revenue, probably have gotten over the hump of the difficulty of starting a small business and aren't going to fail. But we're also targeting companies with less than 25 employees.
How would you explain your pricing model?
So it's a tiered model that's similar to a lot of other SaaS solutions. Right now we're split into 4 different packages. So we have an essentials package that's best for companies with basic marketing needs. That's our $199 a month. We have a deluxe sales package that's best for companies with sales teams who need the more advanced CRM tools, and that's priced at $299. We have a deluxe e-commerce package that's best for companies with an online store or who need the capability to process payments, and that's also $299, just like the other deluxe sales package. And then for businesses who need all of it, we have a complete package that's for those companies that have the online store, a sales team, and that's priced at $379 a month.
Just one more question that I had actually. What's something that you offer in terms of training and support? So one thing that we hear from a lot of our users is that they want a platform that can help them throughout the entire process and hold their hand. Is that something you offer? Can you describe your training and support process?
Definitely. So right off the bat, we actually mandate that all of our customers go through a KICKSTART package. And that's because Infusionsoft is an incredibly powerful way for businesses to get organized, grow sales, and save time. But to reduce the ramp-up time and also help our customers get that value faster, we require a KICKSTART package, which is a series of phone calls with one of our consultants. And we'll help you load your list in, make your first campaign, send your first broadcast.
That's awesome. So just dive a little deeper into your product. Do you have any sort of like limitations?
Because we are built for small business success, businesses with more than 25 employees and a high volume of contacts or emails that they send out monthly will push the limits of our software.
So to finish with some sort of more fun question, if Infusionsoft were a fruit, what fruit would it be?
I will say an avocado. Mainly because it's green, and our company colors, as I'm sure you've noticed, are heavily green. But I'll also say that you can use avocados for any meal, much like how our software can solve more than one problem. And it also has a giant seed in the middle, which symbolizes the growth that business owners will achieve from using Infusionsoft.
Cool.
Excellent. Great.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time, Justin. Really appreciate it.
Yeah. Thanks.
Hope you have a great day.
Great talking to you guys. Thank you.